Hi, today I just want to show you really quickly what you should do when it comes to accessing your information on IRS online. So to register for your account, which is the online services account, it will give you access to tax returns you filed. It'll allow you to download transcript, wage and income transcript, account transcripts, and it'll give you outstanding balances based on the particular tax years. And it also will give you the amount of the stimulus payments that you've received so far. So in order to register, there are a number of things that you will need. And on this page, you'll see on the screen the information. So to register, you just click down here and you'll see the detailed information for each section where you would need to enter in information. You will need a mobile phone number in order to get an activation code, and you can also receive the activation code by mail. And if you do that, there'll be a special link to register to have it be sent to you by mail. But once you're registered, every time you log into the account, your IRS account, you will have to do the two-factor authentication code through your phone. So just know that when you go to log in onto your IRS account, you do need your phone. So once you've got a chance to go over this page in detail, which will be linked in the bottom in the description of this video, you'll come here to this screen and actually create an account and enter the information as mentioned on the initial screen. Hopefully that helps, and thank you for watching.